Hi bro, what's up? Aurelio is back another time with another great video, and like the previous video I will speak regarding this model kit. But you stay attention, I don't speak regarding the Saturn V Apollo version. I will speak regarding the Saturn V Skylab version, the Saturn V cargo version. I was able to make the Saturn V Skylab version thanks to the beautiful conversion kit that the Real Space Models produces and sells. This conversion kit is still available, and in case you don't have the Saturn V Skylab version in your collection, I would strongly recommend you buy it. The kit consists of 3 resin pieces, the nose cone and the 2 wings of solar panels in a closed configuration. Their assembly is instinctive without any problem. You don't even need an instruction sheet. When you have assembled these 3 pieces on the 3rd stage of the Saturn V muscle and plastered every part of it, you can proceed with the completed work on the model kit. In order to have a perfect model kit, I would advise you to also get the beautiful decal sheet that the Newware always produces and sells for the Saturn V model kit in 1/144 scale. Even this decal sheet has a very low cost and will allow you to complete your model kit perfectly. I leave you all the necessary information regarding these 2 conversion kits at the end of this video. So guys, also this time we have finished. See you soon next time in the new year. Happy New Year, guys. Bye.